understanding the design and functionality of Serene Steam during use. While operational, Serene Steam will create two heat zones inside your shower enclosure at the same time. Your entire shower enclosure will be occupied with soothing heat and steam. But Zone 2, which we classify as the intense heat zone, is where you will experience the maximum heat which surrounds your body while you are sitting on your spa bench. This intense heat zone is capable of reaching temperatures of approximately 100 degrees Fahrenheit and above, as the system will project the full flow of heat directly onto your body continuously. Serene Steam has been designed specifically to function in this manner. So just to recap, your entire shower enclosure will always be completely occupied with soothing heat and steam, infused with your choice of essential oils. However, the real feel will be more like 100 degrees and possibly above when you are seated on a bench, as illustrated by Zone 2. Serene Steam is able to accomplish this impressive result without using any electricity at all.